Until now, I was recording all the cars, the supercars and the vintage cars as well. And now it's time for some bikes as well. I'm not that fond of bikes, but let's see what kind of bikes we can get here. Mostly, I guess there will be Hondas and Royal Enfield mostly. But see what history we can see here. Not much of bikes here. Like there are some scooters and some old school bikes which are still being used by village people. Like for us they are vintage, but in village people are still using these bikes. So from here I'll just give you a quick look around every bike. We have some BMWs as well, and these are some pretty old BMWs. Like the logo is not well maintained in the bike, and this scooter caught my attention out of everything. Why this thing holds so many headlights and so many rear mirrors, man? Like the horn is so big, this might be so loud. And our Indian flag as well. The helmet itself, the whole scooter itself looks so good. The tires are also matched with the color of the scooter. It's in a pretty good condition. I won't say it's in the excellent condition right now because you will not be able to see via the camera. And suitcase as well. Like this scooter is ready to go on a trip. And other than that, there are only some this Honda as well, and some Royal Enfields, I guess. I won't show you that everything, but yeah, it's okay. Bikes are good. And this one really caught my attention as well. I thought BSA always make bicycles. I didn't knew that they also make bikes, like the engine bikes. Like my sister used to have a bicycle made by BSA, this company. Exploring, and I saw this car. It has wooden doors. Literally, like you can see, it is the glue is being used to come together the metal and the wood, and it has wooden doors, man. This might be so. And the BM number plate is BMW. The car itself is not from BMW, but wooden doors, man. Like so much maintenance would have been kept on this car. Other than that, I like the color in this car, to be honest. The both cars are almost same, identical, but the color is good. The pink color and the cream color as well. What special I felt about this car is it has a Jaipur number plate from where I belong, and the color is good itself. The car is classy. Even though the wheels are really looking good, man. Interior is matching with the color of the car. Like this is the perfect beauty, or the beauty the car should hold. And I was just roaming around looking at the cars, not recording them, just admiring them. And what my eye caught was not something that everyone is looking around here. I saw Johan Punawala's SLS just parked over there over the truck, under the wrap. Let's see whether we can get it or not, or will they stop me going around it. I'll just try to get the car from around because you can't really get the wrap out of it. And like there are so many cars out there, but this rare model, this classic thing is just wrapped around and loaded over a truck, and no one even noticing this. So you can guess by the structure of this car. This is the car, the most famous car of Mr. Johan Punawala's. After the Rolls Royce, you can get that Mercedes kind of structure over there. Look, I have seen this car many times, but this should have been one of the cars which are right there, because it doesn't belong here, man.
5 minutes later.
And the star car is coming. Wow. The SLS, man. I was about to leave the event right now, and the star came. It's getting parked in between this Lamborghini and Ferrari. And unfortunately my storage got filled up and I was not able to get the video when the wings went up, and it was looking cool by the way. And the cleaning of the car is done and you can look at the shine. Each and every car is shining, but this car is shining way more and looking good. And after this SLS, the collection is complete. Yet some cars are remaining and not here, are parked somewhere else, but 90% of his cars are here right now. So this was all about the video, and I don't even know how I will edit the video, like what parts I will make, what kind of content I will put in a single video, or how many parts will be there. So I'm just guessing you will get videos all around the week, and 7 days, 7 videos. And it felt great, like there is no crowd. The place is empty, the environment is good, you can see the car in peace, like we can not only shoot the cars, we can admire the cars itself. Like I was just walking around for almost an hour here, and I was just looking at the cars, like what a beautiful thing a human has made, man. And other than that, if you like the video, make sure to subscribe and like the video, comment what the car you most liked. And this is the first day here, and tomorrow I think I will come again here, or I'll guess I will go to the another event, because there are 2-3 events happening around Mumbai. So I have to take a guess on which thing I should go there. There's also a burnt out show happening on 25th. So let's see where we will go. I'll ask my friends where they are going, and accordingly we'll plan. The exhaust of the car is in front, man. Where every car has logo, this car has exhaust there.
So please subscribe, whatever.